Hey everybody, Jeff here at Lodder's Marine. Today I'm going to show you this 2017 Yamaha AR210 featuring black and white hull side with black hull bottom, black forward folding wakeboard tower with Bimini. She's going to ride on a tandem axle, Shoreland'r trailer, swing tongue, disc brakes, and LED lights. This model does come complete with a custom Yamaha mooring cover with only 52 hours and Yamaha extended service warranty, good through February of 2020. Give you a walk around here, take you inside, and show us our interior features. Again, this is a 2017 Yamaha AR210 with only 52 hours. Snap-in carpet, captain's chair with bolster, filler cushion for the stern here, glove box, tilt steering with no wake and cruise assist modes, connect system with infinity sound system, oversized ski locker, dry storage on your port side and starboard at your helm, with a windscreen for your cool mornings and evenings. Block off the wind. Nice wide bow area with filler cushions. Bow boarding ladder and anchor locker. Everything's in really great condition. No rips or tears on the vinyl. In only 52 hours. Take a look at our Yamaha TR1s. See, we're on gas shocks in our engine compartment. Easy access for maintenance. Twin 115 horsepower Yamaha Marine TR1. If you have any questions, please give us a call. 513-874-6333. Check us out on our website at loddersmarine.com. There you'll find all of our new and pre-owned boats. We are located at 6151 Dixie Highway in Fairfield, Ohio, a few miles north of I-275 on Route 4. We have a 50-boat indoor showroom. Love to see you, hear about you. Check us out on our Facebook page. Give us a shout or two. We'd love to see you on the water.